Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to our third meeting related to the HR technologies and the use of artificial intelligence in building HR function. If 2003 was the year the world discovered generative AI, then 2024 is the year organizations truly began using and delivering business value from this new technology. The new research from McKinsey shows insights that adoption of the AI and generative AI has surged at last 12 months, that organizations are reporting measurable benefits, that there are increased mitigation of the risk in inaccuracy, and that there are small group of high performers leading the way. From the HR perspective, the study from McKinsey shows that 12% of the respondents are regularly using generative AI in HR. Organizations most often see meaningful cost reduction from generative AI use in HR. HR functions are the most often able to put their generative AI capabilities to use within 1 to 4 months, which is pretty fast and quickly. And talent is one of 6 areas of the best practices where high performers are leading with generative AI. Hello and welcome. This is the second event related to HR technologies by Yalantis. Our first meeting was related to the using to the ENPS and how to apply AI and technologies to improve and boost this KPI in the HR function on the level of the organization. Today we continue our conversation, and today we are moving forward. Today we are going to explore even more in details how we can, let's say, upgrade or infuse or inject AI into the one more big, one more um, not least, but let's say meaningful part of the HR functions is upgrading the skills of the organizations in terms of performance reviews, in terms of working with the leadership team, etc. And we're going to explore it in the beginning of our conversation. And the second part of the conversation, we will share our experience, how we see we can make the automation to connect the technology and HR KPIs and the processes in one place. And I'm happy to introduce our today's speaker. Our today's speaker is Katerina. Katerina is business analyst here at Yalantis. Hello, Katerina. We are happy to have you with us today.
Hello, Andrei. Thank you for the introduction, and hello, everyone. So my name is Katerina Smotritska, and I'm a senior business analyst at Yalantis. So I'm delighted to represent our company today, coming straight from the heart of Ukraine and reaching out across Poland and Cyprus. At Yalantis, we've embraced AI technology to revolutionize the human resource processes. So today, I'll share how these innovations have not only streamlined operations, but also significantly boosted employee engagement and leadership development across our projects. We've turned AI into our hardest working employee, never takes a coffee break, and frankly speaking, works much cheaper than I do. So let's dive into how AI is making a significant impact on performance reviews, development plans, and promotions. We will explore.
Let me run the presentation for you then.
Okay, thank you, Andrei. Thank you. Yeah, so we will actually explore the various ways these AI-driven tools enhance the capabilities of human resources, turning what used to be a routine drudgery into strategic opportunities for organizational growth. And let me tell you, these tools are so smart that sometimes I wonder if they will start asking for their own office soon. So Let me switch the slide. Yeah. So at Elantis, we began our artificial intelligence journey several years ago, as Andrei mentioned, and it has since become a cornerstone of our strategy to drive efficiency and innovation. Globally, organizations, including our organization, have seen a 60% return on investment from AI transformations, with notable revenue increases in human resources. This shift isn't just about cutting costs, it's about strategically investing in technology that propels us forward. So, through our experience, Elantis has developed AI solutions that transform HR in three key areas. That's automating repetitive tasks, also enhancing HR communication, and as well streamlining system navigation. For example, our AI agents have reduced time spent on routine HR tasks by up to 37%, allowing professionals to focus more on strategic initiatives based at their mid-sized technology firm. So existing performance review processes were sporadic and lacked depth, making it difficult for management to provide consistent and constructive feedback. Employee development programs were not tailored to individual needs, which actually led to low engagement and retention of critical knowledge. The internal promotion system was not only inefficient, but also often overlooked potential candidates for advancement. And lastly, their compensation practices were out of sync with market standards, which actually resulted in disparities that affected employee satisfaction. These challenges highlighted a pressing need for a robust solution to transform their HR landscape. And to tackle these pervasive issues, Elantis implemented a suite of AI-powered HR agents, each designed to address specific sets of HR operations. First, our AI performance review assistant revolutionized how performance data was collected and analyzed, ensuring that reviews were both regular and insightful. This tool uses advanced algorithms to process feedback from multiple sources, providing managers with a holistic view of employee performance and areas for improvement. Secondly, our AI learning and development coach personalized employee development at an unprecedented scale. By analyzing individual performance data, this identified unique skill gaps for each employee, suggesting customized learning paths. This not only maximized engagement, but also ensured effective knowledge retention and application. Next, we introduced the AI Planner, which aligned employee aspirations with organizational goals. This tool analyzed historical performance data and current competencies to suggest possible career trajectories within the company, advising on the necessary steps and training for each career path. And lastly, our AI compensation analyst undertook a thorough analysis of internal and external compensation data. This ensured that our clients' compensation practices were competitive and equitable, providing a foundation for transparent and data-driven decisions regarding pay raises and regarding promotions. And speaking of implemented AI HR agents, so our AI performance review assistant and AI learning and development coach are at the forefront of this transformation. The performance review assistant integrates these HR agents and turn into career management and compensation. Our AI career planner and AI compensation analyst work to ensure that career and pay progression are handled with foresight and fairness. The career planner uses predictive analytics to map out potential career paths and also advises employees on the skills and networks they need to develop to achieve their career goals. It's an empowering tool that makes career growth a tangible and guided process. So the comprehensive analyst leverage deep learning to identify pay discrepancies and also predict future compensation trends based on industry benchmarks. This tool is crucial for maintaining competitive and fair compensation packages, ensuring that our pay practices reward true performance and also foster an equitable work environment. So, speaking of value throughout artificial intelligence integration, as we've implemented these AI solutions, the impact on our clients' HR processes has been profound and multifaceted. Now, let's dive into the specific benefits which were achieved through our AI integration, which are not just about numbers and graphs, but about real human experience. So, speaking of training, the AI learning and development coach has truly personalized learning experiences, resulting in 40% improvement in course completion rates. Interestingly, our AI seems to know more about our employee learning preferences than their own Netflix profiles. This target approach to training skills gaps and fills the gaps effectively. Overall, job satisfaction is increased and also covers their readiness for advanced responsibilities. So, moving to promotions. With the help of our AI career planner, we have seen a 25% increase in timely and well deserved promotions. This tool is so effective at spotting potential leaders that we joke that it might have a future in matchmaking. By ensuring a consistent pipeline of capable leaders, we maintain momentum in our company's growth and innovation. From the performance reviews perspective, the AI Performance Review Assistant has doubled the frequency and depth of performance reviews. Managers are now equipped with insights so detailed they sometimes wonder if the AI has been attending all the meetings incognito. More frequent and comprehensive reviews lead to better informed decisions about employee development, retention, and recognition, fostering a culture of continuous improvement and feedback. And lastly, salary and compensation. Our AI compensation analyst has revolutionized how compensation is managed, leading to an 80% employee satisfaction rate regarding fairness and transparency in pay. Do you know that our AI analyzes compensation trends faster than it takes to brew your morning coffee? This capability ensures that our pay practices are competitive and equitable, allowing us to proactively address discrepancies and also align our strategy with market conditions and internal equity goals. Through these AI driven improvements, we've not just solved operational inefficiencies, but also strategically aligned our clients' HR practices with business outcomes. This integration of AI tools helps our client not only meet but also exceed their goals in leadership development and also employee satisfaction, setting a new standard of HR excellence. And thank you for joining us today. So, at Atlantis, integrating AI into HR practices has not only optimized our processes, but also enhanced our work culture, leading to a more engaged and motivated workforce. We are excited to continue this journey, of course, leveraging cutting edge AI to exceed our leadership development goals and help our clients achieve the same success with us. Thank you,
Thank you,
Andrei.
Katerina. Thank you. Listening to you and referring to our previous webinar, so the only one thing is clear that exploration of the capabilities or how technology can impact HR as a function is pretty wide. So we will continue doing our educational short sessions to give you the insights how it can be done with different technologies with our solutions. So you have the wide range of imagination how it can work so you can plan the future HR digital transformation accordingly. So thank you very much for being with us today. Katerina, thank you very much for your presentation and looking forward to see you during our next live streams. Have a good evening and good afternoon. Goodbye. Thank you.